Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 robot vacuum. In this video, we will show you how to change the battery and perform essential maintenance to keep your vacuum running efficiently. To begin, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush or cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta Explorer Series 20. You can find these online or at your local electronics store. First, unplug the vacuum and flip it over to access the bottom. Locate the battery compartment, which is usually secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery cover. Be cautious not to force it, as this can damage the compartment. If you notice any dust or debris inside, now is a great time to clean it. A soft brush or cloth works perfectly for this task. Next, take the old battery out. It may require a bit of wiggling to free it from the connectors. Inspect the connectors for any corrosion or damage. If you find any, it may be wise to clean them or replace them as well. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the connectors align properly. Once in place, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. After reassembling, turn the vacuum back over and plug it in. Allow the battery to charge fully before using the vacuum again. This charging process typically takes a few hours. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for service. Our technicians will handle the diagnosis and battery replacement for you, ensuring your vacuum is in perfect working order. Now that you've successfully changed the battery, it's a good idea to perform regular maintenance. Clean the dustbin after every use and check the brushes for any tangled hair or debris. This will help maintain suction power and prolong the life of your vacuum. For deeper cleaning, open the side panels and remove the filters. Rinse them under warm water and let them dry completely before reinstalling. This task should be done every few months, depending on your usage. If you ever encounter any issues that seem out of your control, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before any repair is performed. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. In summary, maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 robot vacuum is straightforward. With the right tools and some basic knowledge, you can ensure it runs efficiently for years to come. Always remember to keep an eye on the battery and perform periodic cleanings to avoid any buildup that could affect performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.